we are gonna make a breakfast smoothie, a green breakfast smoothie, because green is better than everything else. For this recipe, we are gonna need oat milk, an apple, some lemon, some spinach, some mangoes, and some chia seeds for protein. You could use yogurt, but today we're gonna make the vegan version of it, which means no yogurt. Take the thing from, all right. First, we're gonna cut our apple. I don't really have specific measurements for any of these. It's really just how you like it. If you like more sweetness, add more mango. If you like more sourness, add more apple. It's really how you like it. I usually like more sourness, so I use more apple. And just cut it into little pieces so that it's easier for the blender to blend it. So just cut it in small pieces. All right, I think that's enough apple. All right, next step, we add the mangoes. So I think can just add all of it. The reason why we use frozen mangoes in this case is because we're making a smoothie. And generally a smoothie is thick. It's icy, thick, and it's almost like ice cream texture, but not quite. If you would like a more juicy texture, liquidy, then you should use just normal, not frozen ingredients. So the next thing we're gonna add is spinach, because, well, first of all, it's a vegetable, so you should just put vegetables wherever you can, because vegetables are good for you. And also because we're making a green smoothie, and this will make it green. So I'm just gonna add a couple in there. I think that's enough. Yeah. And we're not gonna add the lemon just yet, because I like to just blend all of this up and then taste it and see what it tastes like and see if we need more spinach, more apple, some lemon. So we're just gonna blend this for now. So we're gonna use oat milk as our liquid. You could use whatever you want, almond milk, cashew milk, soy milk. You could even use coconut water if you don't want to use milk. Or if you're not vegan, you could use regular milk. Oh wait, actually, we should shake this, because all the oat thingies are like on the bottom. Sorry, that was awful. There's no measurement for the liquid. It's really how you like it. If you like it more thick, if you like it more liquidy, it's really your choice. I just like in between, so I'll just put, I'll just fill it about, yeah, it's good. And we'll see how this blends. All right, so we'll just put this, and blend it up. That's, wow, that is not a lot, sorry. I thought it would be more than that. Careful, okay. All right, so we're just gonna taste it to see if it needs more apple, lemon, etc. So, it's good. But it needs a little bit of lemon and a little bit of apple. And some lemon, just a little bit because you don't want it to be too sour either. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God, it smells so good. So we're gonna add the juice of it because I don't know how to cut this. So I'm gonna add the juice of it. Oh my God, it's splattering everywhere. We can add the chia seeds now. If you're adding any kind of protein, like chia seeds in our case, you need to add it when it's liquid enough. Otherwise, it won't blend enough and it'll be all like grainy and disgusting. So just, this is liquid enough, so we're gonna add it now. You could use any kind of protein like chia seeds, flax seeds, even almonds, oats, whatever you want. But we're using chia seeds because this is a common theme in all of our recipes. Chia seeds. Just adding a little bit. I think that's enough. All right. Very good. So just pour it in. Cheers. Yum.